Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about partitioning elements in Java. So let's cover some introduction part about partitioning elements. Partitioning elements in Java is a specific form of grouping where elements are categorized into two partitions based on condition. Those that those that satisfy the condition and those that do not. Okay. The collectors dot partitioning by collector in Java is used for this purpose. The collectors dot partitioning by collector in Java is used for this purpose. Okay. So let's delete this. Now let's see the syntax for partitioning elements in Java. Let's see the syntax of partitioning by method. Okay. So the partitioning by method in Java is a collector provided by the java.util.stream.collectors class. Okay, it's used to partition elements from a stream into two groups based on a specific condition. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of the partitioning by method. So let's cover each part of the syntax. T, the type of elements in the stream. Now let's talk about this predicate, angle brackets question mark super T and predicate again. So our predicate function that determines the condition for partitioning elements into two groups. Okay, so friends, let's see the code example for partitioning elements in Java. Let's see the how to use partitioning by method. Okay, so first of all, let's create a list of numbers using list interface. I am giving the names list name as nums p. Okay, nums p r equal to arrays dot as list. Now let's pass the numbers here. Let's pass the numbers in this list. First of all, let's import the list interface and class array. Okay, so I have imported the list interface. Now let's pass the numbers here. The numbers will be 11, 23, 36, 41, 55, 68, 73, 82, 99 and 100. Now just add the commas here. So friends, our list of integers is ready, of numbers is ready. Now partition numbers into even and odd. Okay, so let's proceed to partition the numbers in even and odd. Map boolean list integer give the name of the list as partition numbers equal to nums pr equal to nums pr dot stream import the map interface. So here we have created stream with name partition numbers. Okay, save the code. Now let's call the collect method. Collect collectors dot partition. Partition. Call the method partition by and use the lambda expression here, lambda operator n lambda operator, where n mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, semicolon, save the code. Now friends, let's write the code to print the partition numbers using the sysout method. Pass the message as even numbers, semicolon, plus partition numbers dot get true. Okay, and again use the sysout method and pass the message as odd numbers plus partition numbers dot get false. Okay, done friends. So friends, we have done with our code. Our code is complete now. So let's revise again. Let's revise our code once again to understand the each line in the code. Okay, so let's discuss about that. So friend, first of all we start with a list of integers with name nums pr that contains a different set of values. Okay, then we create a stream from the nums pr list. We use the collectors dot partition by collector to partition the numbers. Collectors dot partition by collector to partition the numbers based on the condition n mod 2 equal to 0, which results in a map where the keys are true, for even numbers and false for odd numbers. Okay, and the values are list of numbers that satisfy or do not satisfy the condition. Okay friends, later on we are now going to print the partition numbers which are divided into even and odd numbers based on the partitioning condition. So friends, let's run our code right now. So friends, now you can see that this is our output. Our even numbers are 36, 68, 82 and 100, and odd numbers are 11, 23, 41 and so on. This is our original list. Okay, from this list we have partitioned the even and odd numbers using the partition by method. Okay friends, so friends, this code demonstrates how to use the partition by collector to partition elements in a stream into two groups based on a specific condition. In this case, it partitions the numbers into even and odd groups. So friends, this is all about how to use the partition by method in Java, how to partitioning the elements in Java using streams. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value by subscribing to my please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.